Well, what I did last night didn't work. So the swarm, just where it fell, the queen must have went down. What I did right now, I brought a box over. You can see some of them are going in and out. I dumped a couple scoops inside. What I'm going to do is try and scoop some more and then see if I can't scoop some more of these in there and maybe get the queen inside. If we can get the queen inside, then they'll all go in. How'd you pause this? You ain't gonna get stung.
It's rolling.
Get them convinced. You can see they're going in and out. Still filming?
Yep.
You can come closer, they ain't gonna bother you.
Just keep on doing it really, really fast. You just got to do it really, really fast, you know what I mean?
Just get them all signaling and going in there.
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
I got stung.
Should?
Why didn't you just go handfuls?
Because you can't get the grass, and if I squish a queen, we're done.
Oh.
I have to be real careful to try and... Just trying to get them, if I can get them in there.
That's a lot of bees.
It is a lot of bees. Come on in as close as you can and get a good view of this. For whatever reason, I don't know if she's still on this tree or what, they just don't.
Looks like they're going in and out.
Well, the thing is, I'm thinking they're right here, that she's right in here because...
That's where most of them are.
Yeah, because they're all right here.
I've never seen this many bees.
You know, and that's the thing. Like right now, they'll be calm in a swarm. You can see how thick they are right here. Try to keep that camera steady. But yeah, they're calm right now when they're swarming like this, but we can just get them convinced to get in there. Then I can move that box over there.
Very slowly.
Let's see, they're back on this tree again.
She's on that then.
Well, that's what I'm wondering, if we got her on there, and if we do...
She's still on it then.
That or they got the pheromone on that branch.
What do you mean pheromone?
Her scent.
You getting stung?
No, they were just landing on me, but see, they're not leaving that tree, but they're starting to get convinced to go in there.
I know, I mean, like, look at
Like
you
that
just
one.
clean. You
I
just
squished that one. Now, if that would have been the queen,
they'd all
see,
just.
there's enough going in there now. See how they're all coming close. See how they're raising their tails up like that? I think they're making a signal. See how they're raising their tails up high? You can get right up in here. It ain't gonna bother you. That's a weed anyways. That's a weed. But see how they're raising their tails up? I think they're signaling that they have a house.
I know they're also doing it right there too.
Yeah, I think they're signaling that they got a place. You got it running or not? Otherwise, if you don't, give it to me.
Yep.
Because I think we may have got them. I have a feeling that the way they're raising their tails up, I have a feeling now that we might have caught the swarm. We tried to catch it last night, but when I dropped it, I dropped the queen not in the box. The pile went alongside, but I've been scooping them off this tree and dumping them in the box. Right now they're all got their tails raised up like that. I think they're signaling they have a home, and if she is still out, they're all going to go in real quick. So we'll just sit here and see what happens. You can see right here when they're swarming, they don't even bother you. They just, when they're swarming, they'll just land on you, and they're real docile right now. But give it a little time, and then if we can get them to go in there and get them off this tree. I think what they got is a lot of pheromone on this tree. I'm not an expert or anything, so not really sure. They went back to this tree. I thought maybe the queen was still there, but maybe it's just the scent. I hate to cut down this black walnut, but I think they're signaling to come in. If we can just get them to go, if the queen is down in here. See, a lot of them are in the grass here. So I don't know if the queen's still here or not, but if we can get this to raise up, because I just have this feeling she's down in here. Yeah, right now, I think maybe we got the swarm moving in here. I hope we got them convinced to go in the box. Whoop. Drop the camera. I got so many landing on me. But right now when they're swarming, they're really docile, so I did get just stung in the hand once, but they're landing on me. They're not bothering me. I don't know, the way their tails are in the air like that, I think they're signaling that they're acknowledging they have a home. I'm hoping it settles down and all the bees head on in there.
There's not that many on that tree anymore.
Let me know when.
No.
Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the box over there to the stand. I think we got enough bees in the hive now. You can see them all. And then I'm going to see if we can't transfer it over here to where we got the bees. Alright, we got them in position. Hopefully now they send a signal as they keep coming back from the tree that they'll start flying back and forth and land over here. So hopefully I don't got to move the box back over there and keep it over there, because I'd rather have them here. But they say that if you get them, you can't move them more than 4 inches a day to move them back to a position. But they're swarms, so I don't think that should be an issue. But like I said, I don't know anything really about bees. Let me know when you're ready.
Go.
Ready? Alright, I got a lot of them dumped in. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a couple more of these slats in here. Hopefully, I don't, can you see it from, can you see that?
There's the
big
queen,
log?
there's the queen.
How do you know?
Because it's big.
Right. Hopefully.
She was big.
Hopefully I got them. We'll see. I put this up here. Alright, we might have caught them, I think, possibly, so we'll find out what's going on. I'm gonna, actually, I think I'm gonna take this back off. Oh, no, we're going to leave that on. There's a ton. Did you catch that on there? How many were on top?
There was a lot. I saw that.
Did you have it on the film?
No. You want to open it back up?
Yeah, you ready?
Look at all those.
Yeah, you filming? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we might have got her in here. I think we got the hive. We didn't get her last night, but I think we might have got it today. So hopefully we'll give it time. They're all flying in and out of there, so I think they told them they got a home, so we'll let you know in a little bit here.
Go.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Well, one problem we got is we look like we got a lot of bees here, but we also got a bunch of them up here. I don't know if we got a second swarm going on or if the queen moved up there. We got a lot of bees here, but not sure what's going on. We'll walk over there in a minute. I don't know what's going on right here, but it almost looks like we got another swarm going on right here. Either that queen went up the tree or we got 2 swarms going on. Right now we got another swarm going on. I don't know. I knew there wasn't the amount of bees from the swarm last night, but right now you can see this is on all the way, not zoomed in, and I got a swarm going on right now again. You can see the sky is just filled, and actually right now the swarm is building right there. So Bryce went to go get the ladder. I'm going to try and capture, hopefully if we got one in that box, hopefully we can capture a second swarm today.